In this clip I'll be preparing my 2 flasks of hydrochloric acid. So initially I'm going to pour a small amount of the hydrochloric acid into my beaker and rinse the beaker out. I just make sure that I haven't left any residual water in there. You should do that 3 times. Then pour about 100 mils of the acid into the beaker. The pipette will initially need to be rinsed. Remember the filler, hold it right up the end. Take up a small volume. Do your rinse 3 times. Now make sure that you've rinsed out any residual water. Now I'm going to do the transfer into my previously rinsed flasks. So make sure my pipette filler is empty. Now we take up solution until it is above the etched mark, high up on this straight section of your pipette. Then we use the empty button to lower the level until the bottom of the meniscus is just level with the line. Straight across to the flask, take off the filler and drain. Now allow it to drain under gravity. When it stops running out, hold the tip of the pipette down against the wall of the flask to drain out a little bit, but you will be left with a small volume in the tip.